the Wroclaw community, for example, is one community which gathers all sorts of denominations. I guess you could say it's really it's denominational, but it's really interdenominational in the sense that people who consider themselves Reform or conservative are members of this community, which is officially considered a modern Orthodox community. And that's something that, that is, again, for some people it could be hard to understand. But if you come here, you will understand what it means. And in that sense, I think it's a very open community. In Warsaw, on the other hand, you have, 3 different Reform communities. 3. Why? It's very interesting to understand why there are 3 different Reform communities. And so on, and same in Krakow. In Krakow, I guess you could say that you have 2, and it's also why they exist, what their issues are. The fact that we fight, I think, is also a lot of it is not a bad thing. I think it's very creative. I think the reason we fight is because we all are in the process of becoming and of finding our own ways to be Jewish. And 20 years ago or 25 years ago, I guess you could say, there were no ready models of being Jewish in Poland. And we needed to import ideas from abroad. I think now we really are in the process of finding our own local, authentic ways to be Jewish without the need to import rabbis, ideas, laws, and so on.